Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will talk about small size ESP32. That one is of DFRobot FireBeetle. So but before talking about that board, let's talk about the simple ESP32 board that we have used many of the time, or we are using it, like this one ESP32 or 8266. We have used many of the time in our projects, in college projects, and sometimes offices. So have you ever used this type of board? If you have ever used, can you tell me what you have done with this board in the comment section? Let me show you this board first, then we will talk about that board. So this is the board. Have you ever used? It is having inbuilt LED, two buttons, Wi-Fi modules. So let's talk about this black box. I'm having two pieces. So it is having two boards. So this one is the expansion board which comes with it. What is the purpose of this? I will tell you later. Let's see this. So this is the small or smaller coin size ESP32 FireBeetle ESP32 C3, like ESP32, or I say a coin like small ESP32 having a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5 and RISC. It is having on-board battery charging management system. It is GPIO pins, and it is having 400 KB SRAM and 4 MB flash, and it can be programmed by Arduino IDE and ESP IDE and MicroPython. And let's talk about its interface pin. It is having 13 digital pin input output, having one SPI, having two UART pins and one I2C pin and one I2S. And let's talk about its function and instructions. It is having a type C 5 volt, having inbuilt LED on pin number 10, I think. And this one is launched by ESP Espressif, and it is having also a TP4057 lithium battery charge management. It is having a charging indicator, and you can see here a small LED of this side if it is visible. And let's talk about this expansion board. So this you are having a white clip type that is called 18 pin FPC, which will be used for GDI display interface. You can connect here that display connector pin, and this will be attached like upside down, and however you like to connect.